If I talk about summer, the summer collections are always special. Here I just want to show you the bunches of collections over here. Multiple varieties, all settle in the classy colors with the embroidery sarees. So today I'm going to show you the latest varieties from the jute cotton embroidery sarees. Every sample I brought for you, the two colors range. So quickly you can place an order. So subscribe this channel to know the actual price. And every woman expects to carry a breathable, elegant, weightless sarees. Either it is a cotton printed or embroidery designer sarees. Here I just want to show you the bunches of collections over here. Multiple varieties, all settle in the classy colors with the embroidery sarees. Yes, my friends, you are watching here all set to set the embroidery collections. If I talk about these sarees are jute cotton embroidery based sarees. For this summer special, the latest collections which has come in the friendly budget, if I talk about 900 to 1000 rupees of the range, it's only a factory price. So today I'm going to show you the latest varieties from the jute cotton embroidery sarees. My friends, if you're watching this channel first time and if you're not subscribed this channel for regular updates to have a more product related for the new collections, you can subscribe this channel where you get all the new informations of the product and everything for your business to add these collections. You can do online place by doing video call purchase also. You can buy these kind of varieties. If I talk about these jute cotton varieties, we do have a 4 sample varieties where every sample I brought for you the two colors range. So quickly you can place an order. So subscribe this channel to know the actual price. You can take a screenshot and you can contact our online team. The first pretty color, which is very dark cream color. The color combinations are red, orange, green. The lovely flower design which has worked on the embroidery. Elegant, comfortable to carry and the weightless. The white, half white is a golden combination with the cream color or the half white golden color also I can say. For this saree you can see the one more color which is an onion pink, very pretty. This is also one of the pattern and this also you got a lovely color. So these I have shared you, every saree is having 6 colors where I am sharing you two colors, 6 colors, 8 colors set. You can take a information. And if I talk about the next color, so very pretty color which is one of the grey color combination and the bold rose flower design with the dark contrasted with the vibrant colors where they have given here. And this is one of the pattern which is very for the outing casual and the functions for the office wear. These colors are very pretty colors. And this is one of the color charts over here. The pista green color which is light pista green color. This is also one of the pattern. So in this you can also have a color combinations of many more colors where I have showed you 2 colors. If I talk about the dark mustard yellow with the beautiful golden border with lovely stylish unique flower design, very unique. Every saree is having a unique different embroidery. So this is, and you can see the mild checks also in this. This is one of the pattern. Very lovely color. This is a mud black I can say with a black shade you can find out. So red and dark mustard yellow which is a color combination. If I talk about the next saree, very dark grey with a magenta rani pink which is a border. Bold borders and star pattern and the sunflower pattern. You can see multiple floral design. This is one of the pattern. Every saree is having a mild check. And next saree which is peach pink, which is magenta pink, and this is also one of the color. So every saree you can see the two color combination and every saree is having a same code which is tissue resham 1, which is tissue resham 1, tissue resham 2 and tissue resham 3. All these 3 varieties, one code which is 1, 2, 3 is the code. All these exclusive, elegant, lightweight, weightless, comfortable to carry for the office, mini functions, casual outing. These kind of jute cotton embroidery sarees, you should also give it to your customers to make your customers happy. These ranges are very customer friendly budget where the manufacturers are giving you Kesaria manufacturers which is located at Doriwala Square building next to Mohan Sweets opposite to Surat railway station. Please visit once for the regular purchase. You can do online in the future. So to start up to have a new clothing business or new products at your business, you should do visit purchase once, and the Kesaria will guide you. You can follow the social media pages and follow it. For more information, numbers are on the screen. You can call and talk to our customers. Subscribe the channel for the regular notifications, for the regular updates, and please let me know your name and city in the comments. So next video we'll meet with more collections and information. Until then, keep supporting me. Take care. Bye bye.